Alright mga par, and welcome back to Yamakawa. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang tungkol sa bago naming gulong, ang Bridgestone Battlax Sport Touring T32. Tara mga par, pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa features, technology, design, performance, price, at iba pang mga katangian tungkol sa gulong na to bago nyo ito bilhin. Starting out with its features mga par, so ang design ng groove itong T32 ay inspired by blood pulses. Ang kagandahan sa pulse groove technology mga par, isa po itong shape like waves and use internal deflectors to equalize the flow of water. Meaning, this will increase the water flow speed and a remarkable improvement in water drainage. At dahil dun mga par, ang focus talaga ng gulong na to ay more on wet performance. Kaya nga, ang design niya ay nagbibigay ng fast water drainage so that meron tayong stable road contact and improves traction in the wet condition. Ayan. Better braking in wet conditions din ang ating makukuha. Up next mga par ay all about the ultimate eye feature. So this will focus more on visualizing tire contact surface behavior. Meaning this will focus more on contact area and adhesion area, which will result on enhanced contact feel both wet and dry conditions, as well as improved cornering grip in the wet condition mga par. At dahil din pala sa kanyang silica-rich compound, which is the 3LC plus cap and base construction mga par, this will give us high level of grip at low temperatures and improved cornering stability. Okay, ito po ang kanyang 3-layer compound. So yung middle ay 40% harder, while yung sides naman ay 30% softer. Good news dyan mga par ay grippy pa rin siya. Next feature ng gulong na to mga par ay ang high tensile super penetrated cord. Meaning radial tires to mga par. So steel belted cord to. Ang kagandahan nito ay kapag nasa high speed ka or high temperature, kapag mainit yung panahon, safe siya. Hindi siya kaagad puputok or mabubutas. Kasi meron tayong isang type ng gulong rin which is the nylon belted tire. So yun, delikado yun kapag mabigat yung motor mo or sasakyan mo, and then kapag you are on a high speed and mainit din yung panahon, talagang merong tendency na puputok yun. Yun lang talaga yung pinagkaiba nila ng radial tire and nylon tire. Okay? Next feature niya naman mga par ay ang MS belt or monospiral belt, which is a lightweight and durable cords are wrapped around the circumference of the tire. So this will provide a smooth grip feeling and also contribute to a high performance tire. And the main feature is to have a weight reduction improvement, grip improvement, rotational stability, high speed performance, and excellent damping effect. Last but not the least feature and technology niya mga par ay ang RC polymer or nano protect. So meaning dyan, kinumbine nila yung polymer and silica components upang maging effective din siya for wet performance, maganda yung grip niya and traction without compromising the lifespan of the tire. So kahit ganun, meron pa rin siyang longer wear life. Yun yung kagandahan sa technology niya. That's all for the features and technologies mga par ng gulong na to. Ngayon, puntahan naman natin ang price. Front tire is 8,800, rear tire is 8,900. Lastly mga par, for the performance review, stay tuned lang dahil bago pa kasi itong gulong kaya wala pa akong feedback. I will post another video for it. That's all for my quick review of this tire mga par. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo. Makapag-decide kayo kung anong gulong ang para sa inyo at para sa motor niyo. And yun lang. Nagpakita ko sa inyo mga features, technology niya, price, and more. By the way, nabili ko pala to sa Tire Center PH. Sa Lazada po. They are from Manila. Bago ko pa man tapusin ng vlog na to mga par, napaka-solid talaga ng gulong na to. It focuses more on wet conditions, pero napaka-grippy din, napaka-stable, and long mileage talaga siya. Kaya there's nothing to worry about this tire. And made in Japan pa. Yun yung pinakamaganda. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.